The 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike continues to set the benchmark for luxury touring motorcycles with its impeccable engineering, comfort, and power. Building on the legacy of the Gold Wing series, the Trike version transforms an already exceptional ride into a stable and road-commanding machine. With a factory-installed Trike conversion, the 2026 model benefits from Honda's dedication to quality and integration, ensuring a seamless design that doesn't feel like an aftermarket addition. The first impression of the Gold Wing Trike is one of size and presence. The wide rear stance, combined with elegant curves and chrome accents, makes it stand out. Despite its bulk, the Trike remains sleek and aerodynamic. The fairing has been subtly refined for 2026 to improve wind deflection, and the LED lighting system is both attractive and functional, enhancing visibility for long-distance night rides. Powering the Trike is Honda's tried-and-true 1833cc flat-six engine, offering smooth and consistent performance. It produces ample torque across the rev range, making highway cruising effortless. The engine is mated to a 7-speed DCT, dual-clutch transmission, or a 6-speed manual for purists, giving riders the flexibility to choose their preferred riding style. In either configuration, gear shifts are clean and almost imperceptible, contributing to a refined touring experience. Handling is where the Trike configuration truly shines. The added stability of three wheels eliminates the need to balance at low speeds or during stops, which is especially useful for older riders or those with physical limitations. Cornering is predictable and smooth, aided by a low center of gravity and precision suspension tuning. The front suspension remains a double wishbone setup, while the rear incorporates independent suspension tailored for the Trike's weight and dynamics. Comfort remains a strong point for the Gold Wing series. The seat has been redesigned with denser foam and better lumbar support for long rides. The passenger seat is equally luxurious, featuring armrests, a supportive backrest, and heated seating. The Trike also includes heated grips and adjustable windscreen, allowing riders to tailor their environment across a range of climates and seasons. Technology is at the heart of the 2026 Gold Wing Trike. The large TFT display provides real-time navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto support. Voice controls have been improved for hands-free operation, and the audio system has been upgraded with more powerful speakers and richer sound. Riders can also adjust suspension settings, traction control, and ride modes directly through the digital interface. Storage is generous on the Trike model. In addition to the traditional top trunk and saddlebags, the rear Trike body offers even more space, ideal for long-distance touring with a passenger. All compartments are weatherproof and can be locked electronically. Honda has paid attention to practical touring needs, making it easy to pack for a weekend trip or a cross-country adventure. Safety features have been enhanced for 2026. In addition to ABS and traction control, the Trike now includes a rearview camera, blind spot detection, and an automatic emergency braking assist that activates in low-speed scenarios. These additions are discreetly integrated and do not interfere with the overall riding experience but offer peace of mind for riders and their passengers. Fuel economy is reasonable given the Trike's size and power, averaging around 35 mpg under normal riding conditions. The large fuel tank allows for extended range between fill-ups, which is perfect for cross-country travel. Despite the extra weight from the Trike conversion, performance and efficiency remain competitive with two-wheeled touring models. Overall, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing Trike offers an unmatched blend of comfort, performance, and safety for those seeking the ultimate touring experience. It's a machine built for the open road, designed with thoughtfulness and precision, and tailored for riders who want all the benefits of a Gold Wing with the added stability of three wheels. It stands as a premium option for serious touring enthusiasts who value luxury as much as reliability.